Start your day with confidence on the Rascal Venture 4-wheel mobility scooter, built to keep up with all your daily activities. From morning appointments to afternoon adventures, this scooter is your reliable partner for comfort and independence. Tackle errands with ease. With the spacious front basket, tight turning radius, and feather touch throttle, shopping trips feel smooth, stable, and stress-free, no matter how crowded the store. Need a companion for travel or quick getaways? The Rascal Venture offers up to a 6.6 miles of range at 300 pounds and 8 miles per charge at 200 pounds, and a top speed of 4 miles per hour, making it perfect for sidewalks, parks, or just exploring the neighborhood. When it's time to pack up and go, disassembly is quick and tool-free. The Venture breaks down into lightweight pieces, ideal for car trunks and storage spaces. From tight spaces to wide open areas, the Rascal Venture 4-wheel scooter helps you get around with ease and confidence. Call AutoMobility Store today at 800-431-3183.